chat from me live from my born till now. I first me know say people them can't come take a pit in them. Them can't come take a pit in them from out of school and tell me and can't tell you what them there. The people them are calling, them can't tell you what them there. What them there, them can't tell you that. Where are the kids them I can't tell you that? Where are the kids them I can't tell you that? Where are the kids them I can't tell you that? Where are the kids them I can't tell you that? That look like kidnap. They can't know. Me drive up road and road. Me not go to the station go do. Me not go get an answer. Me just call my police for me not go get an answer. Me not go to the station go do. Me not go get an answer. They look like a kidnap them for over high school and carry them away. The girl call her father. Daddy, when you come for me, trying to wear the I don't know. Me don't look at them person, them want God, them yard, them want them parents. Say me abuse a child, them don't want them parents. What is wrong with you on the net? What is wrong with some of Uno? If me abuse them, I want them parents, she call her father. Daddy, me want go home. Where you there? You don't know where you there. The lady on the phone, I will talk about one big up. Where you put them? Where them? We can't tell you that. We can't disclose that to you. Why? Why? Why you can't disclose? If you see the child in danger, all right, where them there? Where they are? I need to see them. Why? No class me there in there out. Me put them in the alley here because me not do certain things side of them. No class me there, me host this, me that, me brave, me tame, me blame, me have my plans. Them not hungry, them not naked, them not happy. Them have food galore. I game my son play when he come from school. When him the police play, I game him play. And I $10, $20 for Nintendo Switch 2. 100,000. Trying to want 3 something phone, laptop, and iPad. I should now bring her phone to school. So that's how I bring the phone to school. One I time I say I go take the phone for try to all no, me not take it. One I time I say I go take the phone for try to all no, me not take it for no trap, me not take it. Cause sometimes I'm saying to myself, when you're growing, if your brain not gonna learn nothing more, your brain not gonna learn nothing more. Because I try my best, extra less everything. So when you take them from school and so not tell them go on and go for some reason, on the net. And try them to question them. We're not going to get out tight. The kids are going to basically, I want to go home to my parents. How can you take a child from school when the parents are inquire about it, them cannot know? That is crazy. Chat me don't even know what for bar, I don't even know what to do. God know I'm confused and weak as fuck. I have never been so weak in my life. Now we get a liar. Because I have to see me picking them tomorrow. No care what I'm going to do. I have to see them tomorrow. Now we get a liar. You understand? You condemn me like a piece of shit because I try. I try. I try make ends meet. I try do what I can do. I try. My best with them. Yeah. It's It's okay. Well, I don't know what to say on this blood clot, but me I tell you say, all I know sound wicked in a blood clot. Yeah. I do nothing. Sometimes some burden the you just feel like you just feel like say you're fed up. You understand? Sometimes you have some burden you just feel like say blood clot. Sometimes I just feel like I fuck it. Sometimes I just feel like I fuck it. The world know me not mean shit. They know. Them know. Me not mad. Me not mental. Me mad I'm a mental. I don't know me not mean nothing. No. I don't know me not mean shit. I don't know me not mad. I don't know me not mental. You know so why sometimes we as women feel over pressure. We wanna wreck me. Wanna wreck me. Just wreck me mentality. We just feel pressured. Because we keep on coming on the nasty because of clout. When you ride me because of clout. That's what you ride me for. I'm not doing it. I'm not know no. When you ride me for it because of clout, you not look. Clout. Oh, some people like that. Some people might like Rosealee more. I bad mind that. Some people might like Rosealee more than me. The girl should have lived now, should have done away. And that's the truth. This is for clout. We don't drag me them for clout. We don't put me them for clout. I can't believe you don't do me this. I'm not trouble, you know. That's say go. I can't hold it. I can't hold the faith.
Rose,
The blood clot
Joe,
yeah.
Joe, you alright? Listen, let me tell you something. I always say, you know, from them time they till now, remember say, whatever you, I'ma see you, I'ma watch you, I'ma see you go on, like, Junior need for calm down. Me keep on always say what you do on the internet will always come back on you. My friend, I'ma see you, everybody a friend. You and the whole world a friend. Like, June, this is never was you. You under the end of the day, you know, say nobody not like you realize say at the end of the day, I'm near you usually para me, you usually run and you see them and never come up on your platform yet. We say me I try come look at cloud and me I look at fame with at the end of the day, and me for come look cloud and fame up like me and you and me. Right, yes, and at the end of the day, I'm sitting, I'm watching and see everybody I disrespect you. I'm see what you are doing. I'm sitting like, girl, you need for chill, my friend. You need to stop up them one bag of people in your circle and normal. This is never you. You never like people. My friend, when I see you get so friendly and you everybody a friend. This was never you. Oh, you get so friendly, you everybody a friend, June. At the end of the day, you know say me love Barbara, you know me love Shanta already. At the end of the day, you know that already. And at the end of the day, June, you have to know what you're talking on the social media. Yeah, you give them fun and you have to give them fame, but some certain things you have to hold back. You have to hold back because at the end of the day, a lot of people doesn't like you. A lot of them all in America, right? So I'm going to say every woman got people to bash you and talk a bad boy. You. Them talk bad boy, them don't let them right now, them wouldn't mind see right now you drop down and dead. At the end of the God forbid, just saying. But at the end of the day, you have to know, Junior, you have to wise up. You have to Lego certain people out of your crowd, girl. You have to Lego, you have to put on the internet. Every day you come on the internet, it's all about one thing. The fame I got always the day, I got always have your name. But sometimes you have to take a break because at the end of the day, the internet build you and it break you and it destroy you. I sit down, I'm watching enough time, I see you sometimes you're happy and more time you just show happiness because you don't happy. You don't really happy. You don't really happy. Inside of you don't really happy. Everything what you do it because you want to do it because the fame. When I have to stop make the fame get to uno, bro. When I have to stop make the fame get to uno, bro. Look what you make happen to you. Look what you sit down now. Me know right now inside of your tear you up, June. Inside of your tear you up because at the end of the day, me know you're not play with Shantan Barbar. Me never come to your platform
Junior,
yet.
I don't know what you're talking about, fame. I don't know what you're talking about. See me walk a look friend from people.
June, will me see you walk and look
Yeah.
fame from everybody's friend,
Vice
June.
note me or something. Can't take them the story, you know. Me know why you about the net. Sorry, me know why you about the net. That can't help no situation. That can't help no situation. You only make things work and make me, you throw me in the bus and make me look ugly. We are talking about fame and we are talking about fame and fame. I don't know what you are talking about, Junior. Unless it's to God. Honestly to God, it's not about fame, it's about my fucking kids. It's not about fame. And if you are my friend, that's how them drag me, I'm gonna trouble them. Them drag them, look at them, I look close for me, and them I was a drag me. In the worst way. In the worst way. No way I talk about internet. I say people come and say the worst by ya. People come and say the worst by ya and threaten the people by ya and it me not say nothing happen. What do you mean, sir? What do you mean? Me say people come by ya and threaten people by ya and tell them what them are gonna do. Them and want them and them have this and them have that and them have this and them have that. And when them say what them gonna happen, what them gonna happen, what happen go come out like nothing. So don't come here and tell me about the net. Don't come here and tell me about the net. Nothing on the net is real. Like Cargo bring come atmosphere. We are talking about real life. Don't tell me about the net. Don't tell me about the net. Don't tell me about the net. Nothing on the net is real. Nothing. No, that on the internet not real. Nothing on the net not real. Don't tell me about the net. We are talking about how them go over school go tell me put because the people in Pioneer like me keep on calling the people them. They keep on calling them. So them for over here, bash me, class me, take them picture, put cocky at them out, do the things them for just go so. Cause I have no feelings, nothing at all. Class, everybody for me class round me, I'm gonna just shut up so. I mean, I have no feelings, don't it? When I react, I hear this, I hear that. No, you know about the net. The people them bad man, jealous and envious for something where you don't even buy. Me never buy clothes, me never buy views, I never buy hype. But come here and people drawn to me come can hold an audience. Some of them 95% can 95% of them cannot hold an audience. The crowd will come but them can't hold them. That's a two different and that them hate me for. Them can't hold an audience. Look at them much of them away come them and look on them one only but see them on the FYP, I block them. 95% of them cannot hold the audience and that them grudge me for. Me not do nothing what me do. What the fuck me blood clot? Do nothing at all. Okay. It's a heartbreak in my life. Never. But call no answer. I drive go to so them do some. I drive go down to so them do some. I drive go to so them do some. When somebody call me in my wall, I go wash out and throw on them clothes, you know. Me not put on a cologne, me not even lotion, my foot, me just put on them and throw on slippers. But go along there so, me not hear nothing. I go up there so, me not hear nothing. Where they put them, I don't know. Somebody will contact you. What is that? Where are my kids? I don't know. Somebody will contact you. Where are your kids? I don't know. Somebody will contact you. Where put them there? I don't know. Somebody will contact you. That's all me hear like it's a kidnap or a ransom story. Somebody will contact you when? When? What's the contact? When? We're putting the case trying to get about what? Shenanigans man internet look on tear me apart and class them. I think I know when class them. They don't do nothing. Sometimes 95% of them we class me don't even know no. Me talk and done. When I said I feel some type of way. I said I feel some type of way. Like me just feel like say. Me never say me I go do it. Me never say come to me I go do it. Me never say me I go do it. Never tell say me I go do nothing. Me walk away. You farm go way down a mall. Who this a call my phone? Way down a mall. Talk. Me have no sympathy, you know. I show me a show whoever do it. Say you break me. Sympathy me I look. Whoever do it, me I show you say yes. You get right me where you want me. Right the right way. You really get to me. You get to me. You did. Mash up my heaven today. You really get to me. Me now look sympathy. Me I show you say yes. I can be break. Can break. Can't break, man. Me can't, me look like me can't, but me can. Me I show you. Me not love sympathy. I show you. Say, yeah, man. Me not the lion out there. Yeah. Me not have the lion out there again. Yeah. It's okay. Then I have the lion out there again. But it's okay. When you get one I look for, when you finally get it, you get it. Clap on yourself. Never blast. You know when you come cook make 2 nights and that's it. Me? But let's look on them. And that's that. I come here, I look my 2 little blood clot give. I be myself, or they hate me for that. You know, class them, you know, talk on them father, fuck them. Me and them are mate, you know, do all of that, you know, do all of that, you do all of that, you know, do all of that. And sometimes when I sit down and I consider I want to do me and them, it just pay my heart because I don't know someone I'm in trouble with, but it's okay. Yeah. I can't sleep good tonight. I can't sleep good tonight. Tonight me can't sleep good. A 450, 352 now. I pick them with a come from, hi mommy, what's up? I love you. I love you too, boo. You get it, man. Pick them with a come fast when I say, hey mommy, what's up? Hey mommy, what's up? I love you too. Poor Barbara when don't even talk to people. Why blame them? Blame them? It's a cold world. And you're all alone, that's all my best people. Cold world, man. Just dunk on me, day in, day out, dunk on me. Come here on the dunk on me, come and text up on me. It's an army on the rise against me, to put me up on the post me up on the class, me to do this, to do that. The army I will do. They sit up on me. And do the things, man. Me don't even want to ask how I feel. Come on, me youth them. Me don't even care for the class, me bro. Just don't take away one thing where wanna take my heart, bro. Wanna take my heart. Trust me. Trust me, bro. It's not so serious on the net. Try know. It's not so serious, yes, sir. I'm gonna post them. I'm gonna post them. No, if me not talk so the conversation around them, some of them is trying to excuse me. A big people time. And all me can get for the people them is me go call you. So when me go see me youth, them me can't tell me that. With them me can't know that. Come like I just come take them, kidnap them, hold them at ransom and hide them from me no know nothing. Me just clueless. Oh my day I go. Oh my night I go. Oh me go sleep. Oh me go eat. Oh me go comfortable. This is just too much. This is just too